How to fix QR code not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure QR code scanning is enabled. So, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the camera option. And further, make sure the Scan QR Codes toggle button is toggled on. And if it already toggled on, then go ahead and toggle it off for some time and then toggle it back on to refresh the settings. Next, clean your camera lens. So, smudges or dirt can block the camera's ability to read the code properly. You can use a microfiber cloth or gently clean both front and rear lenses. Try scanning again with proper lighting. Also, make sure the QR code is fully visible inside the camera frame. Do not zoom in or hold the phone still for 2 to 3 seconds, and if it still does not scan, you can move slightly closer or farther away, or you can also try using the landscape mode. Also, make sure the rear camera uses and not the front camera. So, only the rear camera supports QR scanning in the default iOS camera app. If you're using the front-facing camera, it will not work. Now, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on General and then on Software Update. Go ahead and download any updates available as this helps in fixing bugs in the iPhone. Also, Apple has a built-in QR scanner separate from the main camera app. So, swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here, tap the QR code scanner icon, and if the icon is not there, then tap hold on the control center and you will see the scan code option. Tap on it and it will appear on your control center, and if the issue persists, simply restart your iPhone as a simple restart can help you fix majority of minor glitches in your iPhone. So this is how you can fix QR code not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.